welcome to the Silver Spirit Superior Verandah 927, deck 9 as the number suggests, and this is a balcony suite. Excuse the luggage. As those of you that follow us regularly, we don't pack light, so 4 cases, what can I say? But next to the cases is a lovely king-size bed, and we've been on this ship before, we've been on Silversea before, and the bedding is just it's just dead nice. We're spending a few hours in there, I'm sure. Anyway, one thing about the Silversea cabins, regardless of the class of cabin that you have, they are pretty big. So this is like the living area, this is like the bedroom area. You actually have a curtain that then reveals the living area. So we've got a nice plush sofa with a nice lovely fleecy throw, which I'm sure our cats would love if they were here, but they're not. They're in a cattery. Cushions, nice table. This is the table that gets set up for room service, but they have a big board that fits over the table, so it's more like a traditional restaurant table. Everyone gets a bottle of champagne. We'll be having that shortly. And fresh orchids. Are they orchids?
Yep.
Not very up on my flowers. A nice marble dresser with another mirror. You've got the flat screen TV. Under here you've got the minibar. So it's already got a few things in, but the butler, yeah, that's right, we get a butler. The butler will be coming through shortly and he'll be taking our orders, so he'll be asking us what we want to have our minibar filled up with. So we'll probably ask for gin, maybe some bourbon, tonic. But there, we've got water to keep us going. Ice bucket, ice tongs. That comes in handy for the champagne, so if you're lightweights and you don't drink your champagne all at once, drink responsibly, then you can pop that on top. And then you've got your corkscrew as well. You've got a little dressing table and the stool there. A nice easy chair there. Loads of storage options. And I've just noticed these as well. I don't remember these last time I went on Silversea, but got some nuts, so you can have those with your champagne. So I mentioned it's a veranda room, and it's actually quite a large balcony. Is this a bigger one than what we had last time? I can't remember.
I don't think so.
So you've got 2 chairs. These are like normal chairs, but they do recline a little bit. There you go. So when you're on a sea day or if you're in port, you can just chill out. It's nice. Anyway, we need to carry on with the tour. So let's spin round, and I'm going to go into the walk-in wardrobe. We wish we had one of these at home, but we don't. But yeah, as the name suggests, big wardrobe, you can walk in. You've got lots of hangers, which is great because we never pack light, we've already mentioned that. Here you've got your safe. If you've got lots of expensive jewellery, which we don't, you can pop it all in there. And then you've got the sewing kit, which is great. It's always great to have one of those in your bag, even though I don't know how to sew, but Ivan does. A brush. And then you've got some laundry bags there as well. Oh, some more coat hangers. Umbrella, hopefully we won't be needing that in the Middle East. And then lots of drawers and storage space. So even if you do pack lots, you're not cluttering the room, there's lots of space. Bathroom feels so luxurious compared to other cruisers. A shower, which is huge by ship standards, that is. Sometimes it's the small things as well. So it actually has a door rather than a curtain. A curtain is the curse of any cruiser. those that cruise frequently would know that if you have a curtain, that's it, game over. And then you've got a bath. I was going to say a big bath. It's not a huge bath, but it's a bath nonetheless. Then you've got the sink. Again, storage options for your makeup if that's what you have with your aftershaves or perfumes, your lotions and potions that Ivan brings with him. And then you've got some more shelving down there as well. And I should mention as well, the flooring's really nice. So you've got like marble edged, and you've got like wood. I think that is actual proper wood. I don't think it's wood effect. I think that is proper wood. So that is suite. And I should mention suite 927 because on Silversea, every room is a suite. So this is suite 927, deck 9 on board the Silver Spirit. The Silversea cruise starts when you open the champagne.
Tension. Woo! We're on a cruise. Nice touch.
Would you like some champagne, sir?
I'd love some champagne. Thank you very much.
There you go, pop that on there for you.